Welcome back, tech enthusiasts. Today, we're diving deep into the world of one of the most iconic tech giants, Apple. From its humble beginnings in a garage to its global dominance, Apple has left an indelible mark on the tech landscape. Get ready to uncover the top 25 intriguing facts about Apple that you might not know. Let's get started. Fact 1. Kicking off our list, did you know that Apple was founded on April 1, 1976, by Steve Jobs, Steve Wozniak, and Ronald Wayne? Yes, that's right, April Fool's Day. Fact 2. Fact number 2, the first Apple computer, the Apple I, was sold for $666.66. A far cry from today's prices, right? Fact 3. Apple's iconic logo, the bitten apple, is said to pay homage to Alan Turing, a mathematician and computer scientist who made significant contributions to the field. The bite represents a tribute to his tragic end. Fact 4. Let's talk about macOS. Did you know that every macOS version from Bi 10.0 Cheetah to Bi 10.8 Mountain Lion is named after big cats? Fact 5. The famous 1984 Super Bowl commercial introduced the Macintosh to the world. Directed by Ridley Scott, it remains one of the most memorable ads of all time. Fact 6. Apple's iPod not only revolutionized the way we listen to music but also saved the company from near bankruptcy. It was a game changer. Fact 7. The App Store, launched in 2008, was a groundbreaking move that created a massive ecosystem of apps and changed how we interact with our devices. Fact 8. Ever wondered about the origin of the I in Apple's products? Steve Jobs explained it as standing for Internet, Individual, Instruct, and Inform. Fact 9. The iPhone's development was so secretive that engineers working on it were placed under code names and fake projects to avoid leaks. Fact 10. Apple's headquarters, Apple Park, also known as the Spaceship Campus, is one of the most energy-efficient buildings in the world, powered by 100% renewable energy sources. Fact 11. The iPad's codename during development was Project Purple. It's safe to say that the final product went way beyond a mere shade of purple. Fact 12. Apple's co-founder, Steve Wozniak, designed the company's first handheld remote control, the Apple TV's original interface, and the Disk 2 floppy drive controller. Fact 13. In 1997, Microsoft invested $150 million in Apple to save it from bankruptcy. This unexpected partnership helped shape the tech industry. Fact 14. The iTunes Store was initially met with skepticism from the music industry. But in its first week, it sold over 1 million songs, proving the digital music market's potential. Fact 15. Siri, Apple's virtual assistant, is named after the Norwegian name for a beautiful woman who leads you to victory. Talk about setting high expectations. Fact 16. Apple's co-founder, Steve Jobs, never graduated from college. He dropped out after 6 months but continued to audit classes that interested him. Fact 17. The original Macintosh team had signatures engraved inside the case of the computer. This was a unique touch to show the team's dedication to their creation. Fact 18. The Apple Watch's heart rate monitor app was initially intended to be a stress indicator, but it was repurposed into a heart rate monitor after testing. Fact 19. Apple's California headquarters has a massive underground auditorium where they host their product launches, adding to the mystique surrounding their announcements. Fact 20. The Mac OS X dock was inspired by the Next Step operating system, a project Steve Jobs worked on after leaving Apple in the 80s. Fact 21. The company's Think Different ad campaign featured influential personalities like Albert Einstein, Mahatma Gandhi, and Martin Luther King Jr., emphasizing creativity and individuality. Fact 22. The Apple II computer, released in 1977, was a tremendous success and played a vital role in popularizing personal computing. Fact 23. Apple's co-founder Steve Jobs once worked as a technician at Atari, where he was assigned the task of creating a simplified version of the game, Pong. Fact 24. The iconic slide to unlock feature on iPhones was inspired by a real-life object, the slider on a futuristic toilet at the next offices. Fact 25. Our final fact, Apple's tremendous success hasn't made it immune to controversies. From disputes with other tech giants to concerns about worker conditions in their supply chain, the company has faced its fair share of challenges. And there you have it, 25 captivating facts that provide a glimpse into Apple's remarkable journey. From its revolutionary products to its impact on culture, Apple's story is one for the ages. Which fact surprised you the most? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more intriguing tech content. Until next time, stay curious and keep exploring the world of technology.